My people, we don't bring una ogbonge and sharp informate for T-Live Media. As Ikpoba-Okha Ward 7 youth don't carry surprise solidarity Waka go secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Ogie House to go show them support, give am as their leader for Ikpoba-Okha Local Government Area. If na remember say many ununu bin dey fly everywhere onto the leadership of APC for Ikpoba-Okha Local Government Area, where Secretary to State Government for Edo State bin tanda as the leader, and some people don dey cause katakata for Honda to take scatter the peace with the one wey dey the local government area. Now on top this one, na im make Ikpoba-Okha APC Local Government Area Ward 7 youths and the leaders dem come pay SSG Solidarity surprise visit for im house to come show am say na im dem sabi as their leader and dem dey with am gidigba.
We are here to pay a solidarity visit support to our leader, Osarodion Ogie, the authentic leader of the local government. Yes. Why we are here and we all know, because of one submiscreant from the local government, they are saying to our vibrant leader, Osarodion Ogie, some persons, group of persons, Osarabo in the Osa, Victor Ekato, I am a great brother. I'm there. Ogabudi Awago. With some others. Etc. We are here today. We are here today to pay a solidarity visit to our leader, Osarodion Ogie, to ignore them that the fight has just begun. And the fight is not for him, but Osarodion Ogie. The fight is for we the youth. From Ward 7, the youth of Ward 7. We are here today to tell him that we are strongly behind him.
On top this Waka go Ogie house to show am say them sabi am as their leader, na Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't take tanda put for Ogie house. We can see Governor be no follow this Waka as him be dey play golf for Benin Golf Club, we not too far from SSG house. But as him become dey hear the sound of Edo youth for Ogie house, na him come go meet them. As he reach there, na him see say na Ward 7 youth for Ikpoba-Okha Local Government Area dey there. Executive leaders of the party sef dey. Now he can follow them talk as state governor and as party leader. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki can address the youths them. He talks the time never reach to answer the people who want scatter Edo. And these people, as it be, say their plan na to dabaru everywhere and to spoil the plans when the administration wey they put for ground. He talks saying with SSG and Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, then they together and na Edo State progress na in their mind. He talks say them won't attack the three of them to cause katakata, but these people no sabi say their own leg is strong for ground well.
I know that this fight is not about your leader at all. It is about me. Yes. It is not time to fight. Our election is in August next year by the way. They want to overheat the system so that we can start fighting each other before the real fight. By the grace of God, we will not. For me, my brother, the SSG, and the deputy were one. See what they do, they go to your base and they start causing confusion. They will not succeed. That which they will be surprised because we are all strong in our base.
We can see Governor talk on top the work with the shelle for Ikpoba-Okha Local Government Area. As he talks, say nobody go fit shake them as them no go gree make Agbero make con rule Edo State again. And say anybody wey try do anti-party matter, them go throw the person away, come off for the party. Obaseki talks say Edo APC no get wahala. Say wetin these people they try with Ikpoba-Okha Local Government Area leadership on top APC, then be done they plan them to go do am for Igwebe, and them sabi all these people plan. He talks say them get mind well for the election with the Waka come so as them go shock these people and their eye go neat well. He say for every month local government meeting, ward meeting and unit meeting go begin the shelle as e be say dem must standard the party well before election waka.
You have seen what we are doing in Ikpoba-Okha.
Yes.
You see the infrastructure.
Yes.
You see the schools.
Yes.
By the grace of God, the industrial park will start this year. You know what to do. So those thugs who came in to try and do things in Ikpoba-Okha, you know what to do to them. They have no space in the political future of Edo State. Thuggery is not allowed. And anybody who comes to do anti-party, we will throw them out of the party. The plan is that they are trying to cause confusion in some local governments so that they can say there's problem in APC. There's no problem in APC. They have look at what they are doing here. They want to try it in Igwebe next week. We know that they are trying it. So we know their plan. But they will not succeed. So what I want to advise is, I want peace in Edo. We will follow the constitution of our party.
Yes.
And anybody that decides to disrupt APC in Edo, to cause confusion so that they can make some decisions they are planning in Abuja, by the grace of God, they will not succeed.
Secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Ogie Esq, will still be leader for Ikpoba-Okha Local Government Area. He talks say he no get shaking as these people where they do this katakata no even reach him, and say they no reach to comot in mind for all the better things where he won't do for him people. He talks say Ikpoba-Okha no get commissioner until when be say him be enter politics and him dey fit for the job well as him dey perform wetin him suppose do. He can't begin to count the ogbonge things wey don shele and still dey shele for Ikpoba-Okha Local Government Area and the people wey dey there. He talks say them no send these people as their own matter dey Baba God hand, as e be say him with Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, then they gidigba together and them ready carry Edo State matter waka go far. He can talk say shaking no dey their mind at all, as e be say na Baba God and na him power dey and na Baba God na him sure pass to arrange person life the way you want me to be. And I make am tanda them put for this position to carry Edo State waka go front.
Until I came into politics, Ikpoba-Okha had no commissioner. When it was time to appoint commissioners, they would sit in either Osarodion Ogie and call somebody and say, go and fill form that you are from Ikpoba-Okha. Okay, no. And I told you that my coming to politics will change all that. Has it not changed? A local government, they man jealous. They man so do land here. They were am I way ropa. A local government that has one of the finest commissioners. No one in school. The governor ya to boy go along way. Okona ye school. Saint Savior away. Visa Road away. Over Road away. And then I got a meeting. More than 1,000 youth in Ward 6. They said they want to march there. Now we don't do it. In Ward 5, over 500 call. Now we stay in your secretariat and be celebrating. In Ward 8, now we don't step out of the secretariat. Because, as of fact, we are not in the same category. Why should I be seen to be wrestling with pigs? For them and their paymasters, I am not in the same category. My life, the governor's life, is in the hand of God. No man is God. It has not changed. Our God has not changed.
On top the many good things wey Osarodion Ogie Esq dey do for the people wey dey in local government area, as e be say na this one still carry Obaseki mind to fit talk to the people say im like the support wey dem give am. Na im Obaseki come carry waka go greet 2 sets of triplets, that na 6 children wey dem born, wey Osarodion Ogie Esq don begin dey care for them since dem born them and put them on top scholarship. Obaseki come eloge on top this better thing wey e dey do for this people.